That's the one my son used to drive to school. And the other one on the right.
It's got that thing in there, kind of like a Roadrunner tire.
That's the 70 model Roadrunner there. That's the cool one.
Is that a Dart you've got there? Or a Swinger?
Like, that's a Dart, Dodge Dart. It has a 440 with a blower.
Wowee.
4 barrels on it. That was our last race car. The Germans come over to see us, and we blew the engine right out of the car, but we put a new one in it the next.
This is one of the I call them man motors.
Oh yeah.
Hey Johnny.
This got a 671 blower on it.
Yeah. Johnny, I've been looking for that damn Superbird glass.
Yeah.
So I took the one out of another Hemi car, laid it over there. Here's the damn thing laying right here.
Well, if
it's numbered for that car, so I wanted to put it back in it. You know, and there's a guy supposed to come and buy that car. He come down from Texas and bought the stick. And I used to have nothing but Dodge all out here. And all around down back.
There's an old cop car.
Yeah, it actually runs.
It's like an old Richmond County car, too.
It is, yeah.
Richmond County.
With the old cherry on top. Yeah.
And I got, when they sold me those cars, you know, they have the gun mounts all stored in the front of them. And not only that, but they had 60 bubbles in the trunk. The blue light. Yeah, I had 60 of them in the trunk of the car.
Oh, my husband bought an ambulance.
Get this Impala.
I got a stretcher laying out there. One of the old Fords.
Oh, look at these.
Oxygen tanks, all kinds of stuff.
Tell them about the Cadillac.
Oh, that's from the Guns N' Roses guys.
Oh, wow.
And my son, that's my son's car. But he went to their shows and they signed it and everything.
I gotta have a picture of that for James.
Now, it's for sale while my son is not here, if you're interested.
Yeah.
It's taken up. See, here's all the where they signed and everything here.
Oh yeah, this is my car.
Down the other side too.
Yeah,
Oh, look at how pretty it is.
This is factory Chevrolet interior. And Johnny put it
They
in.
called it Fluffy.
that's my car right there.
Fluffy.
If I had any car in the whole